Hello everyone, welcome to QAWithSJ channel. In today's session video, we'll be going to learn break and continue statements and how we are going to use it. So basically, these two statements can be used. Let's suppose when is some condition met when you're running a particular loop. If you want to come out of the loop, then you can use break statement. When some condition met, you want to ignore and continue with other set of your loop, then you can use continue statement. So it immediately terminates the loop when the condition met. Okay. Control moves to the first statement after the loop, used when the required condition is met before completing all the iterations. So to make it simple, whenever a condition met, it just comes out of the loop. So when it comes to continue, just skip the current iteration and then it will continue with. So here in the both the cases, we provided I value is 3. Whenever I value equal to 3, so first it will check 1. So 1 is not equal to 3. So it prints and increment the value, and then it will print 2. When it comes to 3, they just come out of the loop. So in this case the output will be 1 and 2, but in this case the output will be first 1 will print and 2 will print. When it comes to 3 is equal, right, then continue, then it will comes, doesn't print here, then it come back to increment. So in this case 1 2 4 5 is will be the output. So let's see an example. Let me create one class here under this package, break and continue statement example, something like this. Let's suppose there is a for loop, int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5, and I plus plus. Okay, now let's have some simple if loop. Whenever I value equal to 3, then what can we do? We'll just break the statement, that's it. So if it doesn't match, then we'll just print the I value. So this is simple example. Okay, in real time you can use for multiple ways whenever you want break a condition when particular break the no break come out of from the loop whenever a particular condition met. Okay, so this is break. So let's run it first. So in this case it just got printed 192. So when the condition when I value is 3 is 3 less than equal to 5, correct, so it matches, then it go inside and it come out of the loop. Okay, now let's do something else for the continue. So here for loop equal to 10 and j plus plus. If j value is equal to 5, I want to ignore this. Okay, so that it can print all other values and just ignore j value. J value equal to 5. So now you can see here. Let's add some sysout statement here. Okay, now you can see the differences for both break and continue. Okay, now you can see 1 2 3 4. When it comes to j value 5 is equal to, so that it just skips this entire execution below and comes back to initial incrementation, and then it will check 6 is 6 less than or equal to 10, yes, correct, then it will go in 6 doesn't match, so just print 7 8 9 10 like this. So let's suppose there are a set of students. Okay, there is some students. So whenever the students marks, if you want to see first fail student, whenever let's suppose there is some students like with marks 50, 60, okay, 35. So like this, there are some students. Now we want to see the first student whose marks is uh, equal to 35, right? So you can give like this, so that what will happen, then you can print that particular student's mark, something like this here, a student name. I'm just giving trying to giving some example. Okay, this is the student. Then what will happen whenever, let's suppose it is kind of some key value pair. Okay, we can see those kind of programs also, like Rahul as 50, Ajay as 60. Okay, some Keshav as 35. Then whenever equal to 35 marks matches, then we can print student name. Okay, now here, whenever a student value is equal to 35, just skip and print other students, like whose marks is greater than 35, right? So in such cases you can use continue. If you want to print the first 35, whose marks is 35, then you can use this break statement. So this is just trying to give you some real-time example. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.